declaring the fourth week of March as a National Week of Prayer. But we are also thanking him for all he has done to try to defeat COVID-19, all he has done to delay and try to minimize yung pong ma-infect ng COVID-19. We reach today having to pass important legislation to address the national health emergency. But let us make it clear this emergency. Marami pa rin po sa ating kababayan ang hindi nagso-social distancing, medyo parang piyesta pa sa kanilang lugar, nagiinuman, katabi, no? And they don't see that we can become dangers to each other. I talked to a health expert na malapit sa WHO at tinanong ko lang sa kanya, kung walang ginawa si President Duterte, what if President Duterte did not do anything? He did not order the quarantine. He did not order the enhanced community quarantine. What if members of Congress did not stand up and ask the DOH to do anything, just like Congresswoman Janet Garin here and the others, no? Congresswoman Helen, the chairman ng Health. Anong mangyayari sa atin? Sabi niya sa akin, Speaker, maaring mga 30% may infect. So sa 100 million Filipinos, mga 35 million. And 2% nun mamamatay. 700,000 people. So we face the nation today asking, tayo ba bilang mga Pilipino, willing ba tayo na magkasakit po ang mahigit 30 milyong Pilipino? Bawasan nyo pa ho, gawin nyo pang 10 million people ang na-infect or 20 million people po. Willing po ba tayo na 400,000 or 200,000 po na mga Pilipino mamamatay? Hindi po. That is why we are here today to pass this legislation. Why? There is a simple message from government. Stay home, save lives. Pero meron pong simple message pabalik sa atin ang karamihan ng ating kababayan. We stay home, we need resources. So we're here today to bridge that. So today, let's remember a simple way of calling each other. Paano ba natin tawagin mga Pilipino pa kahit nasa abroad tayo? Hindi ba sinisitsitan natin? Psst, psst, Madjo. PSST. P, prayer. S, stay at home. S, save lives. And T, take home package or take home pay, which we will pass today. Today, we want to show the world that there will be unprecedented cooperation between the executive and the legislative. That there will be unprecedented cooperation internationally. That today you will see congressmen, governors, and mayors working hand in hand. This is our part, we will do our part. We will help the mayors, we will help the LGUs deliver these resources into the hands of each and every household. So I thank all the members of Congress for your hard work. Many of you warned us of this. And I thank all of you who are in your districts taking care of your people but are with us online, and we will hear from you later on. Thank you, and let's get down to
Gusto ko lang po kayong i-update at iklaro lang po ang ilan mga issue, no? Una-una, kung pwede ko ulitin yung sinabi ko kanina, PSST. Pray, stay home, save lives, take home pay or take home package, yung T, no? So, P is to pray, magdasal po tayo na sa kamay talaga po ng Diyos ang ating kapalaran, ang ating pong kinabukasan. S, stay home, because if we stay home, we stay alive. And T, yung sinasabi naman po ng mga nagsistay home ngayon, they need resources. So yung T, take home pay, no, or take home package. Ang gusto ko linawin, meron kasing isang senadora at ilan pong mga followers nila nagpo-post na no to emergency powers or no to special powers, yes to testing, yes to food, yes to medical supplies, yes to personal protective equipment, etc. ang very deceitful po or dishonest yung ganung klase pong comparison. Bakit po? Kasi po yung authority under this law, no? Yung Bayanihan to Heal as One, precisely will give you the mechanisms and the resources na kailangan to solve the problem. So, nakailan na pag-monitor ko, parang sinasabi, wala sa bill na yan yung tukol sa medical equipment. Wala sa bill na yan yung tukol sa ganitong pagkain. Wala sa bill na yan kung paano po ipamimigay. Well, we're in an emergency situation po. At araw-araw naman po nasa media ang task force, no? Na ine-explain paano itong gawin. Tanungin nyo sa kahit kaninong mayor po o governor, alam nila gagawin nila. At yung iba sinusubukan na, yung iba nagkakaproblema, no? Kami ni Lani, halimbawa yung house-to-house na delivery, sinubukan po namin sa Pateros na isa lang pinagbigyan namin, then per community, isa lang ang lalabas, then dadalhin dun sa bahay yung pong konting ayuda, no? So, of course, the bill will not be a telephone directory. Dun sa mga ka-age ko at mas matanda, hindi yellow pages yung bill na to. Hindi to parang General Appropriations Act. So yung tanong ng iba, i-amendahan nyo yung budget. So dapat himayin natin yan. Ang budget po, sinasubmit po sa Kongreso ng July. Pinapasa po namin sa House October. Matatapos po ang Senado late November or early December. Pipirmahan po ng Pangulo late December, in this case, early January. So kung yun po ang gusto ng mga kritiko na maubos oras namin sa pagdidebate, paano po yung kakainin ng ating kababayan? Paano po yung mga mask? Paano po yung extra beds? Paano po yung mga emergency equipment na kailangan ng mga kababayan natin at ng mga ospital at mga frontliners natin, no? So, but don't worry, I mean, meron talagang kritiko, meron bashers. For us, continue to do that. Kung yun ang trip nyo, kung natutuwa kayo na panay nega, panay hatred, panay pag-criticize, as long as you stay home and you help telling people to stay home. Pero yung pag sinisiraan nyo yung bill at yung ginagawa ng Pangulo at para mo sinabing sa tao, hindi, walang dadating sa inyo, lumabas na kayo ng bahay nyo, you will cost lives. Nakita nyo po sa Italy kahapon, di ba, na more than 700 patay sa isang araw. Di ba? So nakikita nyo naman yung cases sa ating bansa, whether may nahahawa or because there are more testing kits, lumalabas na rin, no? So ang aking pong pakiusap, give this remedy, no, this special authority or this authority we're giving the president a chance. Dahil hindi po to gawa-gawa lang ng executive. Ilang araw po na ito ay pinagmitingan. Ilang tao at eksperto po ang kinonsulta dito, no? And sa totoo lang po, 'di ba, pag halimbawa sinabi mo na ang laki na ng problema sa komunidad namin, bigyan natin ng authority si mayor i-solve ito. Kung ipalilista mo pa sa mga konsehal lahat ng gagawin ng mayor, tapos na yung crisis o kaya patay na yung kabayo, wala pa rin yung damo, no? So it's the same situation po sa atin. So mga kababayan, asahan nyo po na ang Kongreso, gagawin namin ang trabaho namin. No po, we're not comparing ourselves to the frontliners. Hats off po kami. Malayo po, 'di ba? Ang mga frontliners po, every single second they're risking their lives. Kaya nga po kami, we're just extending the message, stay home. 'Di ba? Kung meron pong symptoms, isolate yourself. Kung positive at kailangan na sa ospital, pumunta na sa ospital. Kung positive at mild ang symptoms, stay home and isolate, no? Marami tayong modelo but we don't have time always in one sitting na ikwento kung ano ang difference ng ginawa ng Koreano, ng China or ng Singapore. But rest assured na araw-araw, hindi lang to pinagmimitingan, ini-explain to ng executive branch of government. Yun lang kasi ang tanong napupunta dun sa side issues instead of dun mismo sa issue. So that's why I'm saying, yung mga bashers, haters, sige lang, continue lang, but stay at home and don't do anything that will make people restless and go out into the streets. Because if that happens, may mamamatay and that's on you, no? But kami po, we will do everything we can para ang gamot at pagkain, and in this case, cash po ang gusto namin, mapunta po sa 18 million households around the country. May mga models na po. Pwede namin pag-usapan sa floor. Pwede po namin sagutin yung ibang tanong nun kanina. Problema, mauubos ang oras, no? So, every day that we delay, hindi po lang isang delay yan na madala sa bahay. Kasi marami pang gagawin after we pass the law. So, as for the House of Representatives po, tsatsagain po namin to, tatapusin po namin, at umaasa po kami na ang Senado po ay ganun din ang pagsusumikap nila ngayon. And God willing po, may pasa natin ito today. And ang pangako naman ng executive, nung nasa Malacanang kami nung Saturday, hindi pa to napapasa, yung guidelines, yung workflow, inaayos na, no? That's why even yung pinaka-busy ngayon, no, si Secretary Anyo, for example, was in the meeting last Saturday, was in the session hall kanina, no? Hindi ko lang sinisilip kung nandun pa. But this is how important it is na balahan natin, no, ang ating pong mga kawani ng gobyerno, maging frontliners yan, police, maging nurses, maging doktor, or maging po sa DSWD, sa DOLE, mabigyan po yan ng pondo at ang mga LGU natin, no? So it's really not a time to play politics. It's just a time to do our job. And if we have to find creative ways to tell you stay at home, we'll do it, no? Even if ang kapalit ay kritisismo. But that's our job, eh. Our job is to give these resources, but our job is also to communicate to our constituents. If I can stay at home and magkulong lang, I would. But I have almost 1 million kababayans in my city din, no? So anyway po, pa-start na po ulit yung session at kailangan po natin tumulong at mag-monitor. Stay safe everyone. God bless you. Gawin po namin din ang lahat. And don't forget